How do you feel the state of hip hop, man? But hey, piano I need
Okay,
okay,
honestly, this year, piano, one side. This year, it's a hip hop year, especially from last year. Yeah, I feel like it. How many songs? Okay, let's be honest, how many songs are popular with piano currently?
Like, let's talk about other groups as well, like Tear Gas, right?
Yeah.
It's an uncomfortable day because they haven't confirmed it in public. Maratina is observing as friends and people outside.
Yeah.
We could see, as much as Lamaya Machita were contributing, but we could see which is called KO. Basically, and KO was like, you know what? Zovaya against his card or whatever.
What's hip hop to you, dog?
Hip hop, it's the poetry in motion. It's a reflection of what you're doing.
Yeah.
So your lifestyle, how you feeling, it's an expression, it's a platform where you can express yourself and how you feeling in anything. Your lifestyle, hip hop, I think it's an everyday thing for me.
Sorry, Timber, to cut you off. I'm so sorry about that, man. I wanted to ask about the Koilas, right?
Yeah.
Are those guys making money? Like, you guys know them, right? Are they making money? I'm curious. Like,
Okay.
Obviously, they won't tell you. Are they making money?
I know you're you must be careful, dog.
You're shy.
Tell us something.
I was going to tell you, man.
What's your story? Let's tell it like Sunday Times, a gonna cast, let's tell it like. What's your story? Let's tell it like a gonna cast, bring a cup, time for tea time. What's your story? Let's hear it right. Like Sunday Times, a gonna cast, let's tell it like. What's your story? Let's get it right. A gonna cast, the #1 music podcast.
Are we on? We are on. So we wanna understand, what is hip hop in your point of view, James? What is hip hop?
Firstly, I'd like to introduce myself. By the way, I'm Stitch Lamoon. Come with my brother here, Diego.
Yeah, I go by the name Diego, all the way from the south of Johannesburg. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I was gonna introduce you, but
It's fine.
yeah.
So hip hop for us, it's a culture, man. It's a culture whereby see express our our feelings, our man. Isn't this is pillars as a youth specifically, So I feel like hip hop, it's like music, it's like poetry to us, man. I understand whatever situation I'm going through currently, put it in a song, and then I express it to other people so that nabanye abantu relate. You understand? So yeah, it's a movement, hip hop, from back then up until now. So we're still pushing the culture, not to evaluate. Yeah, that's all I could say for now.
Diego?
So just before Diego comes in,
Yes, sir. So, in my point of view, hip hop, it's culture, ne? Including music, art, dress code. You understand?
That's where I was going actually with the question.
Yeah, in general. So, since Tina Skulile kasi, I would say, njengoba bekashilo ukuthi hip hop at the same time is like a passion into esikhulisayo, because some people chose to kuhamba mhlawumbe yenza ama drugs la, yabona izinto ezinjengalezo. Thina i-stress sethu sisikhiphela kuphi? On the music, on the art, yabo. Uyazi ukuthi noma uphumile ugcoke fresh utripila, athi ngibona amajitara e-studio, I understand, hayi bengixabene nobani banda. Mawufika emajiteni e-studio, sonke le stress it comes down. Uyazi ukuthi okay, we've just made a hit, we've produced into eshisayo, understand?
Yeah. Man, P?
I'm fan no elder, and we keep him.
What's hip hop to you, dog?
Hip hop, it's the poetry in motion. It's a reflection of what you're doing.
Yeah.
So your lifestyle, how you feeling, it's an expression, it's a platform where you can express yourself and how you feeling in anything. Your lifestyle, hip hop, I think it's an everyday thing for me. Yeah.
Lifestyle.
Fact.
Yeah.
I'm surprised that none of you actually mentioned the reason why I'm asking this is, are we still seeing hip hop with those elements that, was it 5 or 6 elements, like rapping, MCing, DJing,
poetry,
poetry,
skating.
as you said, even with fashion. Do we still see it like that?
Those are the fundamentals.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, I feel like, we are still on it.
And freestyling. That's why I was asking the question.
Okay,
I'm taking it there.
Yeah.
Okay, so I would say good generation yethu ne currently ne there are elements eswale khayo kancane nje yabo in terms of I'd say
You guys are banding those elements.
I
You
feel
guys are
like
banding.
especially the yabona thina singama trap stars yabo into ezinjalo, so I feel like silahlile culture le ye freestyle yabona nale case list ukudlula like yabo it's like it's about freestyling, man, MC, you know, and I feel like you lose a touch as the hip hop generation, but other than that, I was still pushing the culture, man.
Yeah.
Lifestyle, everything is there, clothes, you know, I feel like for me, we're missing that element for now.
Sure.
You see, but are we getting there eventually, man? We're getting there.
All right.
Yeah.
Tab of it. So vandaag, the episode is basically, as you can hear, we'll be talking about hip hop, SA hip hop in particular. We got the South Boys, Amachita, Stitch Lamoon, no Diego, no Rifa ne. Rifa is again Uva Rifa.
Rifa is in Northern Cape, ne?
Yeah.
Is Sapanda ngale na.
Pushispan. Alright, shout out to Rifa.
Shout out.
Yeah. So Amachita from Orange Farm, right?
Yeah.
So we wanted to understand your point of view as in hip hop, the new age of hip hop, because I can tell you now what you see hip hop as is totally different from what from my point of view.
Yeah.
So
big time.
how were you introduced to hip hop? What was the first?
Okay, so me, nane.
Yeah, no, this is the one.
Like first time, like I was like, okay, ngibambekile, like ngibambile writing art hip hop kahle kahle ne. So I was in grade 6. Yeah, I was in grade 6. I remember Ubutwami was writing. He wasn't recording though. He was writing my verses. So I'll take those verses, then when I go to school, ngaricycle ama peers wami lapha ngishaya sivulise kelinyana lapha, I understand. So kahle kahle mina ngikhule ngimamela uPro Kid, I understand. Like uGrotman lami vele uyongifaka kuPro Kid, ngikhule ngimamela uPro Kid, even kabo MT, Vernacular, you understand, all those people.
Must be MT, but
Yeah.
I'm getting MT akhuluma.
Abo Mickey M.
What's that?
Abo Mickey M,
Where uvuma kakhulu.
then along the way abo ekhaya mabathenga iTV lapha thenga iDS ngiyabona. That's when I started being introduced to abo MT, you understand, the Ambitious, cause sengiqala ukubabona iTV MT uyapop at that time, you understand. But then hip hop as a state, I could listen to it, but then I would be more in SA hip hop. Yeah.
Okay. Buena, Stitch Lamoon.
I mean, honestly, I mean, I'm fitting cooling English as music, you know.
Yeah.
But I mean, I'm like the black sheep. Ne, mina ngikhulele background yakithi ama-soccer player majority from Matala to Matala. You see, even now Nokudi now is currently in Cape Town. Ne, khulile nayo udlala iPirates yabo. So nami it was a thing ukuthi bengidlala idiski, you
Kanti flow
know.
manager.
Aware. So nami what was the thing ukuthi bengidlala idiski, and then eventually amane diski into ekhona into enginayo ngiyalincanywa na no yabo.
I was a trap.
Ungayibeka
I was a trap.
Nah, but man, angisengikomo kangako bale yabo. Okay, ngidlalile namajita, and then eventually I think nasemzini bangitshela ukuthi nginalo voice man music. Actually ne, ningayizwa sengine bass nyana le ncingayo le. I know how to sing yabo. So eventually manje izwa mangitshela man, keep on doing this, man, you see. And then I was like, you know what, let me try and write my own thing. You see, now I'm into inspiration from singers, especially, ne? Before I even became a rapper. So, Mamela Abo, Justin Bieber, Abu The Weeknd, yeah, you got one me bang motivate again, and then
Justin Bieber.
yeah, and then when it came to
Out, Mama Justin Bieber.
nah man, kumbula bekusese ikawa. Nah, but bekusese ikawa. Nah, but kodwa bekusese ikawa that time. Yabo, so benga understand.
Baby, baby.
Yeah.
Okay, so yini nenza ukuthi bafethu decide to form a company, like South Boys
South Boys
Entertainment,
as a whole.
and do you think you guys are winning as a collective?
Yeah.
And yeah, like in terms of going, what was the whole plan in going into a company instead of just being artists?
Artist, yeah. It's funny.
Record deal and stuff.
Yeah.
What was the idea behind that?
So it happened. I was with Rifa that day, ne? So discuss. So okay, boy. So we have all the sound lazy funati na no. Sisi toli the man. Sisi espana. Not recognition ikaslito, yabo. So, but you know what to figure la paya. Funega a proper team. You understand? Funega a proper team ukuthi sa understand ana share vision eyi-1 siyaphambili, yabo. So at first with South Boys iqale, it wasn't like into ukuthi we wanted a team ukuthi form a company same time, you know, we grew. It was like ukuthi let's create a movement around ekhasi lethu. Since lapha ekhasi lami hip hop, Orange Farm specifically, like hip hop akusinto enakwayo kakhulu ethandwayo kakhulu.
Is there an artist from Orange Farm?
Yeah, bakhona majority ama-actor though.
Yeah.
I don't know if you know this lady, Ntando Duma.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's from
Oh, we are.
yeah.
Akasana chisco.
Even
Akasana chisco.
Oh yeah, but it's still big.
Sirashama.
Oh, it's kind of new.
Yeah, nabo Big Zulu mfethu. Big Zulu actually PS, yeah, it's right la Pekas League. So no Big Zulu singasho ukuthi ukhulile lapha yawo. Craft yakhe shine lapha up until ya blow up yabo. But obviously mela represent lakhe ikasi lapho.
Oh, okay.
Specific, yeah.
So ninganiboni opportunity ukuthi because hip hop was not given. No one was.
Orange.
Yeah.
Orange
Yeah.
Farm.
So that's when the movement iqala khona. Si recruit almost like 12 people there, or almost 20.
They are part of South Boys Entertainment.
It was
It was a movement.
At first, it was a movement. About CB's 1841 movement. You understand? So, because the Orange Farm, code yakon, it's 1841. So it was 1841 movement. Mani ngamachita talented. So we saw a talent. We thought, okay, must form something solid. Singa blow up and at yabos bambisani, you understand? Sure. Yeah, that's how it formed. Movement. But then it happened.
It's all hip hop artists in that movement, or
even poets, dancers.
Okay. With
Mapiano
arts,
artist,
okay.
yeah. So yeah, iqale kanjalo, created a group chat sahlangana lapha, but then uyazi ama vision awafani yabo. So ama vision awafani, abanye abantu they decided to take indlela yabo until we were down to like 4. Yeah. Down to 4 people, ne? The other one was like a camera guy. Understand? So it happened with sayipusha lento lena. Actually mina mangiqala ukuzwa ngabe ngisempumalanga. So uRifa young text I was like, "Hey yo dog, we started the movement ini yabo." I feel ngena egroupini yonke into yakhulunywa rade nabantu baqala ukuphuma. That's when we discussed on the logo. Then I designed the logo le South Boys on the page ngai sketcher. Then I send the machita just like that. Then Stitch came up like where was the idea because besafuni kamel solid which is ngabiza ngani. Then he was like, okay, bafethu see who like in the middle of Johannesburg South. So how about South Boys represent the whole of South, you understand? Yeah, because Yabona Pretoria is popping, KZN is popping, in Jozi, you understand? So we have to like make sure which Natisia Zwagala.
Represent the South. So it's outside every South.
Yeah. Every South, as long as in the South, from Orange Farm till Yalinja.
even before Orange
South.
Farm, though,
khona nama-artist amanye I know from Lenasia South,
Yeah.
you understand, like going down uyali.
Alright. So what's your relationship with Orange Farm Art Studio? Because I know you guys work with them.
Yeah. So
Pushani now.
So art studio, it's a place ukuthi a promoter ama individual shaya art, ne? Anything that has to do with art. It's either it's poetry or anything. So CSI lapha sifuna a collaboration ukuthi okay, we want to do a school tour, ne? Around the hood. So we don't have much experience in terms of izinto ezinjalo yabo. So the guy ubekafuna vele ubeliever ku-craft yethu so much uthini okay guys, you know what, let's just collaborate on this thing. It's not an investment, it's not something like that, it's just collaborating, ne? As individuals sibone ukuthi lento le izosenzela yabo. So yeah, that's when ke si collaborate ne-art studio. We used to host ama auditions there before we go to the tour. It's over ama artists lapho ekasi shama audition ba audition, and then we pick the top 10 esizohamba nabo so ba represent lapha kuma school tours ke. And then yeah, that's when ke collaboration ethi qalile lapho nama art studio. Yeah, art studio, it's probably like it's a good company, it's a big company yabo. Yeah, it's a
Shout out to Mr. Ngobese, by the way.
Yeah, Mr. Ngobese.
shout out
So-
to them.
So is it a government institution? Is the community what behind it, or
Yeah,
or
sure.
Oh, so
It's a
government and support? The
Yeah,
municipality
support.
is supporting.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
So I mean, like in the Amachita in the music industry, right?
Yeah.
You always hustle to get yourself out there. Do you think it's easy for you guys, as in Nshai Hip Hop now 2025, to get yourself out there because of social media and having all these platforms? Are you guys finding it easy, or is it still an old hustle? Because Amachita back then, they would sell CDs of their cars.
yeah,
They would
yeah.
try to get their music on radio. Is it much easier for you guys now, or is it still a hustle?
I feel like it's not easy per se, ne? But it's doable. Yeah, it's doable. Into ukuthi ne, nowadays platform I am fit to like we have ama TikTok, we have abo YouTube, we have go easy nje ukenza izinto ne, only if your content is relevant, you understand. So I feel like kule generation yethu ama opportunities akhona mfethu. It's not ukuthi thina nathi mele sifake the work, you understand. Mele sifake ispan ukuthi nathi basibone lapha. Hence that's why I decide ukuthi siqale i-South Boys, because look, going out there uyobheka umuntu ozofuna ukukusayina yabo. End of the day
So you are not signed to
we are
a
not
label.
signed. Yeah, it's just
How do you distribute your music?
via digital platforms, man.
Digital platforms.
Yeah, like distros, your
Yeah.
Dito, yabo. Yeah, for now up until you guys pick up.
So a record label is not part of your future plans, or
Nah, not yet. We are a record label for now.
for now? Oh yeah,
For
Nina.
us, yeah, for Tina.
Okay.
Asikasayini umuntu at the moment, safuna ukusha thina nathi at the moment, yabo. Because I realize ukuthi kene game akho easy, man. It's not about record or drop, you see. There's still behind the scene mfethu. Samele promotion, proper marketing.
But don't you think ukuthi kube ne record label bezoniphushela lezo zinto, like just to make your job much
Yeah, it
easier,
is.
so that you focus on the art?
Yeah.
Since cinema artists,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
I'm sure it's difficult to run a label and also
And
be an
also,
artist.
yeah.
Yabo.
So the thing was ne ukuthi thina masiringa namachita sabatshela ukuthi no man, ama record label like ama record label nama investment anjalo yabo azosithola mase sesireachile thina leyo peak leyo yabo, because end of the day we have to understand this is business, man. Thina the way sinqanya craft yethu ngakhona, the way sibeliever ngakhona craft yethu izosenzela lawo ma million lawo. So if we have leyo record label esiphushayo, no, imali idliwa ubani? Idliwa wuye. We don't want to end up like angifuni ukumention. Yeah, angifuni ukumention. We don't want to end up like those niggas yabo abadliwa ama record label not because of ba reckless in craft yabo. So I feel like into yakho man mele uyibambe ngesandla mfethu, inakekele, believe ukuthi izokufaka.
So ni collective ni three, so
Yeah.
so a question yami nayo again, ama group, why decide ukuba ama group in 2025? Because yale nyamagroup ngathi ayisipani manje lokhu niyale
Yeah.
niyahlukana phakathi we've seen the best of them there labo bake bafika before
Khona uzoba uBeyonce.
yeah khona nje asithi manje uStish bathi bancane uStish ngithola deal
Sure.
ulento say bigger artist maybe uAris athatha untwana ajump on a Reese song jikijiki ku album uyavela in 2-3 songs wouldn't that affect the relationship with South Boys
Not really.
because manje uStitch uyazibona kahle ukuthi mina ngi-star lezi swag
Amara, I think about Amajita ne. I've known Orifa for a long time. We used to go Eskelesi one, yabo.
Sure.
High school best Skeleza song kera. Fede we always had this vision ukuthi we're trying to call something a movement nyana, yabo.
Yeah.
But then it's logos push us too. But then on the other side, Untwana no Rifa, they already knew each other. Yabo. So minus teach being mazela on my internet, dropping fire music, lapha, you understand, the streaming and all that. So it's a maslangana samachita, savele sa senka, yabo. Kwaba ilento leyo ukuthi if one of us wins, it's a big win for all of us. I understand. So magawina untango ya nyawina na. Mangwina uyawina so sidla sonke because simele sibambisane. Angikhona le say le bathi when the money runs in the family iyakhula basically so into ekhona engqondweni le ukuthi masingabuild a legacy sibambisene kanjalo so i3 ukuthi ubani wenzeni sinama differences sabantu angale but then siyahlala phansi si discuss angeke ngishasha sibona sikhulu kanje sinokuxabana ka blind
ama compliments bathi awu Stitch na masimvula wena ayiphathi kabi ayile
engiphathi kabi like listen Khotman mabam complimenta kushuthi lo muntu lo ubone something kuye yabo emchazile like uStitch unabantu bakhe unamafriend wakhe amncanywayo I have my people abafrustana mina as an individual manje mangizojelasela untwana for internal isikhathi sakhe kumele ngimshayele izandla my time will come I understand so abantu abaningi ngibona ngathi bahlula lento leyo umuntu usuke sekadliwa umona yabo
Kala kanjalo vele. Masaqala hayi no.
yeah we are fair we share kota we share paloni nontwana sibuya fair until the sisters for featuring you man
Lokunivalela yona kanje. Lokunivalela yona kanje. Remember, okay, sharp we are a crew ne, but end of the day we are a company. We are an established company. We're running businesses here. So it's not a point ukuthi ubani ophopayo if uStitch uyapop uStitch usilethela imali ezi company uDiego uyapop uDiego usilethela imali ezi company so it's not a matter of ukuthi ubani ophopa kakhulu izinto ezinjalo yabo so I feel like futhina igrowth yethu ukuthi size nathi sibone ukuvelua icraft yethu yabo isilethela yona imali you understand so that's when sibona kahle ukuthi okay now man we can do this because even if on shows la we saw hosta some of the shows we were never even performing. Let's not perform. But you know what we are a business.
What do you mean you were not performing? Like other artists were performing and you guys were not. South Boys was not.
Yeah, remember we are a movement, right? Remember we tryna showcase our acres, not only us. So isn't this in Jalokini? When the lineup is full, you know what? Guys, this is our show. Either way, we won't get on buzz. So let's just give Amajita a space up, because we host at different locations. It's host Fanda Bailey, see Josie, anywhere. So I'm gonna see us. Yeah.
Mention the schools, man. Let's give them a shout out.
Oh yeah. So shout out to our first school, that's SUP is space, SUP Sky, Petty. Mahlati secondary school. It
was Radipabi primary school actually.
Yeah, shout out. Shout out to Impeti Mahlati. Shout out to what's the other one who did that? Yeah. Siapambili secondary school.
Siapambili, shout out.
Yeah, shout out.
Yeah. Just to expand on the question, I see you, G. I see.
But I have to go back to the sound. I can't stand here forever.
Right.
And you want to move on before Nkulu. What I wanted to challenge Amachita, right? I don't think that model is sustainable. It's my opinion, right? Reason being, what if uStitch carries this company for so long? What if Stitch is the one bringing?
Yeah, that's
and I'm
what I'm
singling out to
saying.
Stitch.
What if
instead,
Stitch
I'm
you
just-
KO?
Oh, do you?
Or
Right?
Diego maybe
But
will KO.
Ikolo lizosini. Like, let's talk about other groups as well, like Tear Gas, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's an uncomfortable thing because they haven't confirmed it in public. Maratina is observing as fans and people outside.
Yeah.
We could see, as much as Lamaya Machita were contributing, but we could see which Ikolo KO. Basically, and KO was like, you know what? Zovaya against his card or whatever the case might be. As much as they argue, Grossman Untukza was the songwriter, like Begapadi in Desi Baya for the crew and whatever. We don't know. Because Maratina Bantu, Besbona Gatumunton, Cole Sinda. KO. Right? So I really think that will happen, gents. Let's be honest.
Yeah.
But if that happens, because and that's not what we want.
And you're more to you, which I got massive.
Let me expand on that question because I wanted to ask that. Just keep this question in mind. Yeah? Do you guys remember the interview we had Nosanza?
Yeah.
He was talking about the fact that we don't have it on paper.
Yeah.
We don't have things on paper.
Yeah.
Like Sivumelele, but we don't have anything written down. Do you guys have anything written down? Because then that comes in Iskati Masva, when the success comes. Is there any contract? As you say, you're a business. So
Yeah, so funny enough, this happened last year, same situation in Kumangamai. So the other guy, the fourth guy, this is Panana.
Cameraman.
The camera
Osman
guy.
Macarena.
So yeah, it's a thing of I'm the founder of the company, right? So, but I did most of the investing in the company. But it's obvious, everyone knows their roles. Spanish. So the other guy, Begi Kesuktini, na sega feel ngathi yang understand. Sega leader man, sega yang thola leyo nto leyo of which like angeke man
Understand the role, yeah.
Yeah, you understand. The role yakhe bekukushuta, ngithola. Like serious. The role yakhe bekukushuta.
At the end of like at the same time, ngibona ngathi yithi simvumele.
Oh, kuvele kwaba comfortable.
Yeah, sivele saba comfortable yabo, but yazi mistakes happen.
Oh,
Sesibonile leyo flow.
ni Spanish cheetah.
Yeah. But into bemnandi ukuthini already before le situation beyifika. Yonke into was on paper. You understand? Registration yonke into bemnandi. And the guy fortunately yena bekanga register. But
Nimvalele ngaphandle.
Vele belokhu nimdubile.
no nakathi kanjalo.
Yithi simiyekile wapha.
No like
Ngamvalele.
Yeah, vele bebamdubile.
no like ungayithathi kanjalo.
Benimshaya ekhanda.
Untanga like besithi like we would have a good relationship naye yabo besingeke simvalele ngaphandle besiyodla sonke. Like unfortunately Untanga like he's not a South African citizen.
Yeah.
So it doesn't have.
And another thing, Ben, since it's business, remember in a business when you join, kune probation inyana ukuthi nathi sikubona ukuthi baba zashiya umuva kanjani yabo so Untanga bekase sekuleyo probation there.
Oh,
you understand? So yeah yabo. Okay, so yeah, lawo masaga.
Watelela mangala.
But to answer your question, Big Dog, everyone knows their role here. As businesses, as business partners, and as artists, individually music. So I don't think ukuthi kuzoba issue engaka in the near future, because wonke umuntu currently uyasazi ispan sakhe ukuthi kumele ayenzini, yabo. Rifa does paperwork, Sky does promo. You see, and I'm almost handling almost everything. You understand? But everyone will understand the role they are currently. You understand?
So is it sustainable?
I think it is. Yeah, it's sustainable. Plus the loyalty.
For the fact that we've made it this far with it, yabo.
Yeah.
It's like,
So I really wanted to expand on this thing of the camera guy.
Yeah,
You guys have an issue with the camera guy. So rappers are confident and cocky.
Yeah.
As well.
Sure.
So I want you guys to delve in deeper as to like what did he do exactly, because ukhulumile ukuthi bekapha wenzeni and talk your talk, man. I'm not going to say that word, but talk your talk.
azabaxalela mfo. So untanga what happened ukuthi angazi nami ifike kanjani kuleyo point yabo. So le mali besiloku siyenza on the school tours yabo, it ended up ezandleni zakhe basically yabo, like because umuntu ongayidli imali yabo.
Yeah.
So bese ezandleni zakhe, but then at the same time inkinga yaqala makusekutheni masiza kuye sifuna imali, sifuna ukushaya ama poster nanani uyayigansisa yabo, or like wenza inkani izinto ezinjengalezo. So sibe ne conversation sonke as South Boys, like bokumuntu I don't know, cause ngayibona
ukustiza untwana
akafuna ukutshelwa, I understand.
bekafuna ukustiza bafethu
Yakuthola
But kodwa isikhathi sokuda siyadla sonke mfethu
Yeah.
sizodlisana. So to elaborate untanga ukuthi bekukhambeni kahle kahle ne. So this guy beki photographer njengoba bengisho yabo. So amasloku siya feel like entitled, you know, to whatever position there yabo. And then it happens ukuthi ne, there was a time sithulile, there was a time me I was away for a very long time, especially namachita now push izinto zabo yabo.
Yeah.
So besinama plans vele bekumele siwayenze izi company, but slow sawayenza but still yabo. So apparently untanga there's a school leyo bekumele sishaye yangithola thina as a South Boys. Into yasixabanisa kakhulu untanga ahamba lapha kulaso scale angena as a South Boys only
One
to
man show,
one man show, you understand?
Already we've been there for
Already beseve saloku sikhuluma nescale vele
Yeah.
yangithola yonke into imnandi, and then eventually thina sinasikhathi vele. So untanga aya ngegama lethu asishaya leso school tour, imali yaya kubani kuwe, you understand? So yeah, into nje yavele yasicabanisa lapho yabo, yazi into ezinjalo.
amkhatha fast
So naye bekarap untanga.
cameraman
Yeah, but what I'm saying is what ispanashaya lapha escale ufike wenzani bekenzani bekashuta.
Remember thina ama social school tour ne, we siya organize kuqala, we organize ama artists.
Ovana la artist.
So uyawuza lo muntu uthatha ama artists wethu,
Alright,
you understand all the connections bese wayenza uwasebenzisa yena side lakhe yangithola.
Right.
So yeah, into be sicabanisa nyana lapha yabo, even though nano sayenza but yazi thina mfethu impila yemanga, impila yemanga.
Let's get into the music.
Osborn sokusuwa boy
Let's get into the music side of it.
Yeah.
What kind of hip hop are you guys doing?
yeah
Wanna answer that boy?
me, I could say that I'm versatile. You know, I rap, I can blend into trap, I understand. But then the lyrics ngizama mangwabhala, like I try ukuthi ngiyenze ibe poetic, you understand? Because a rap, like real rap, boom bap, like it started as a poet. Yakhumbula ngithi like it was the ama freestyle la nje shy poet ushay intonyana slick smooth yabo,
so
MC.
you went back and did your research with hip hop
Yeah, you could say
also
that.
khuluma ngobhoom bap into zaduka
Indaba mina uqala ukurapper honestly ngaqala like on a boom bap.
yabo buche
Yeah.
timba la
Yeah, bengifrustana nje like le beat ni metronome mayishaya lapha the beat, like i-rhythm yakhona ngivaya nayo, you understand? Iyo ingilida ukuthi ngikwazi ukubhala, ngiyakwazi ukucabanga yabo, ngithatha phakathi. So as time goes by, I was introduced to a trap. Then I tried to applying what I was doing, which is a rap on a trap beat, and I was like, okay, siyayibona na indlela. That's how like my sound was created actually. Because no rifa in like a high school, Sasha, it's a 2-track EP, yana, with it, like it was on downloaded beats though, yabo. So I drop on SoundCloud, like this is the movement, this is the way, like Slogos Pusha. The album later soul dropper, like still recorded after matric. Since then algaga drop in namhlanje.
album lakho
Yeah.
wena
Taste of Fate.
no rifa
Yeah. Yabo.
why though
Like izinto eziningi zinokwenzakala yabo, because uyazi impilo inenkinga zayo. Talk ukuthi it needs funding ukuthi drop yabo, izinto ezinjengalezo. Makumele sithi siya drop this month kuvela something, kumele ngesigela, kumele ngiyenzini, kumele ngibhaye ini endlini yabo, because ama situation endlini like it's tough.
sure
Yabo, so yeah, I think ama delays nyana la, but then sayithatha ngendlela yokuthini yonke into inesikhathi sayo kahle kahle yabo, isikhathi esiright sakhona sofika. So masifika and ebheka manje we just dropped ama post ama release date, and people are actually expecting that yabo. So
then wena ndanga your vision ukuthi usha hip hop enja.
Mina what ngathini? Mina ngi-musician mfethu. So any genre besides house and pianos, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm a musician. R&B, trap soul, trap, rap.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, mina ngasho ukuthi nje
How
how
do you feel the state of hip hop manje? Ngoba ipiano ayinizwa bafethu. Ngikhomba idust.
Okay ne.
Ayinizwa.
Okay, mara mina honest ne, this year piano one side. Ngalo this year is fit to it's a hip hop year, especially from last year. Yeah, I feel like how many songs? Okay, let's been honest, ne. How many songs are popular with piano currently this year?
Don't you think they're waiting
Every
for
week, yes.
No, I'm talking about big songs here, Papa. Big
Don't
songs.
you think they're waiting for the festive for them to
Okay.
release?
Okay, I
Yes,
understand.
but
No,
they're
I
coming for you.
understand.
Bayakhupha ekhishini.
Inkinga ukuthi currently ke yithi ke
Currently, yini
operate.
ingoma epic manje?
Yeah.
Hip hop.
Nasty just dropped now. Dlala Ngcobo, no. It's big. It's big.
Like ibengakadropi, but then it was
Album laga
Mara, don't you think maybe it's the name eyenza ukuthi ibe that big?
come on, uNasty dala drop ama track mfethu abaya. Amanye siwashayela side now abo soft dropile silishayela side. But if it's a hit song, it's a hit song. Yabona na
You think
idlala.
Soft was a hit song?
I
It was
think
whack
it's just
issue,
a song.
man.
It's just a song. It's just a song. It's just a song.
Okay, let me ask this, gents. So, in terms of dynamics, do you guys have producers there in the movement? Who does your producing? Who does your beats and all of that?
Yeah. So in terms of beats, ne, we sebenza nama producer are different. So I wouldn't say we have a specific producer. You understand?
South Boy.
Yeah. So
Southside
Tina,
Boys.
Tina nje siya operate nje nomuntu ofuna ukuoperate. And then as for our mastering in my mixing, sisebenza no Vsoul, ne. Shout out my brother.
Shout out to Vsoul.
Yeah. Vsoul professionally ushaya e-house. I don't know, look DJ man, I think namaz. Yazi le show leya Vinny's shows.
Vinny Da Vinci.
Yeah, Vinny's house. Yeah. Ntanga uhleza khona lapha top 10.
Shout out to you.
Yeah, shout out TikTok. So yeah, umuntu
Mixela.
yeah, simixelayo to le sound lesikuyo currently yabo. Yeah. I'd say that yabo.
Yeah. So how do you decide which we are releasing South Boys, or releasing Stitch Lamon, or releasing Diego, or I heard him talking about Abba Nishaino Reef. How do you decide which this year so concentrate on South Boys, or so concentrate on Diego, or like how do you what's the dynamic in there?
So at first bekumele ngabe sidrope i-album laMajita, which is last month, ne?
Yeah.
So apparently ukuthi no siyabona ukuthi emotion ebhaya ngale kushukela etiyeni yabo, and mafena ya demand kakhulu yabo. So decide ukuthi sizodropa ushukela etiyeni now, and then the rest of the year
I got dropped that singer.
it's dropping now. 13 September, guys, make sure, ne?
Make sure. Sing is reading.
In
Fire.
September.
This month. Yeah.
Sugar the tea.
The official date is released now. Everything is now. Right?
Konjo, who you feature on the song?
Lo-Fi from the Quelas, ne?
Halala.
Yeah, shout out Big Dog. Appreciate it, man. Eh? So yeah, for now we're just gonna push Ushugele Tieni, and then the other month is gonna be Twist of Fate, which is album Lamachita. Ne?
Twist of Fate.
Yeah, Twist of Fate. So it's Ngatini. See push South Boys for now. We're not pushing individually. You understand? We're just pushing South Boys. Remember, it's in high demand.
No. You know what's happening, kahle ne? Like basically cause ne the time I got drop, like first time I started to record a little track. drop a young video nyana nje prom. Siyabona, it's going wild on the internet. Like it's going wild on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you understand? And we're like, and the way before we even recorded the track, ngiyakhumbula bese hate back ila. Yabo nginontwana lapha ngishayela lona. It's like yo ntwana mina ngizokwatela manga record ile track. Angitshela because like it's a hit song. So sal record the following week. I sal post. Yabona abantu bayahlanya lapha kuma internet. I was like yazini ntwana ne instead of ukuthi obviously album abantu abaningi abakasizwa grand sound yethu yabo. So i-album masingal dropper before the singing. Yeah, it could be slow ukuthi reach leyo point le. But then since we have a hit song ngapha masingadropa le track leli uzosilethela more athi yamtho silethela emotion ebhaya.
Ushane runway.
Yeah. Then mabasa expect ukuthi mama mele ushukele etiyeni he has the twist of fate. Understand?
Sure.
Yeah.
No, I know. Makes sense. How many tracks on the album?
12.
12.
Yeah.
He took pen and feature Stitch.
Yeah, we have like yeah.
Shama Edlips.
Actually Stitch is on a track. It's 11. Oh, it's the last track. Yeah, Utini, which was released. It's out already, ne? On all DSPs. Yeah, Utini, it's me, Rifa, and Stitch Lamoon featuring
Utini.
Stitch. Yeah.
Okay.
Featuring Stitch Lamoon. Then we have features like Abu Nitro is on 2 tracks, which is track number 2 Step in the Scene, and also track number 7 Public Statement.
Ovana was the South.
Yeah, same hood. We used to go to the same school, grade 9, let's get us a song.
No Nitro.
Yeah.
Shout out to Nitro.
Shout out. Yes, I. Yeah. And also we have this other Han, Yaya Chimney, she's an artist on track 10. It's called Twisted Fate. You know.
Usha in chorus or
No, she's on the hook. Yes.
Usha on the hook. Oh.
Yeah, she sings there like yo. It's a beautiful song. I don't wanna lie. Shout out to you, Ndwan. Shout out.
So tell me, is the 9 to 5 important to have while you guys are trying to build this movement or South Boys Entertainment? Is the 9 to 5 a thing that you need to have to push this, or you guys concentrating on the music value for it to build itself up?
Okay, so ngathi sikhulile kasi, sikhule singana next, yabo? And uyazi ukuthi mawukhulile kasi, the only way ukuthi uphile impilo grand uyazi mele ufune ispani upush, yabo? So I wouldn't say okay, fair. Some people ne bayiphila then leyo mali bagcine bayiblow and stuff, yabo?
Sure.
So 14 into esiyenzayo always grana ibusiness ekhanda ukuthi whatever imali esitholayo we think of the idea ezosenzela more money, you understand? So I'd say yeah, i9 to 5 is important because it's a way of ukuthola leyo mali uzoyinikeza ubani leyo mali leyo in the first place uhlele kasi ukuthi ufocus emusicini ufuna ukubuild career yakho, but then awuyenzi anything esayidini ukuthi izopusha lo music wakho because ukhumbule.
So in 9 to 5 injection into your business.
Yeah. Yabona, I'm not sure do you have the movie The Matrix?
Yeah.
When Makaya Unio Amapelis.
Yeah.
So me and my boys decided to take both.
Oh, you took both.
Yeah, you feel. Yeah. It's like that. In order to change the game is to break the rules.
Yeah.
You feel.
I'm taking 2.
Yeah.
I don't pick a side.
Yeah, ngafuna uyi2 because I know ukuthi inama impacts wakhona nangale inama impacts wakhona. What if ke mawayi2? What's the point of choose while you can have both? You understand?
Any upcoming events you guys are planning? Tours?
Yeah, actually this year we're not planning much, ne? But we're gonna host our South Boys launch, which is when the Twist of Fate album is promo corner.
Yeah.
The date is not yet confirmed, but
Location, not confirmed.
not yet confirmed, but this year, ne? Definitely this year. Expect it Lapo November, December, somewhere there, ne? So yeah, so launcher Tina as a South Boys celebrator.
The movement.
Yeah, the movement. Yabo in Spanish, this is Spanish all along.
As I see that team, but
Yeah. Please.
Oh, okay, so that's the only. So you're dropping your single.
Yeah, on the
and then
second.
album
album
And
is
then the
dropping.
launch.
Yes.
So those are the 3 events that are coming up.
Bring it back to hip hop.
Yeah.
Who are your inspiration, my gents?
Okay. For me now, Tory Lanez firstly.
Tory Lanez.
Yeah, Tory Lanez, cause yabona le sound mangayimamela ne sound yami yabo, it's like it's not really similar, but you know, yeah, iyabonakala ukuthi inspiration iphuma lapha yabo.
Inspiration yakho.
Yeah, and then as from ngapha esi Flames, Uchi, you know, even the Qolas now, ne?
I'm about to ask what
Yeah, for that, man, I have to give the guys credit. By pushing the culture, siyabonga bafethu, nathi sanibhekela. I want especially the way we move, ne? Besibukela emachiteni, the way bona bo move ngakhona, yabo, because noma ba handle kamnandi game man mabangena lapha, yabo.
Even
So
when you take shortcuts, you understand?
I understand. So like, yeah, sibukela kini nani machita lapha, yabo, keep on doing the motion da, yabo. Yeah.
Shout out.
Alright, just give us your handles of it to say Vala. And yeah, anything that you want to say to promote yourself. Guys.
Sorry, Timber, to cut you off. I'm so sorry about that, man. I wanted to ask about the Qolas, right?
Yeah.
Are those guys making money? Like, you guys know them, right? Are they making money? I'm curious. Like,
Okay.
obviously they won't tell you. Are they making money?
Right now, you're daddy
Group
Okay,
You must be careful, dog.
You're shy.
Tell us something.
I was like,
He's trying to tell us something.
Man, emachiteni man, angeke ngikhulume much because angazi business side labo, yabo. Angazi, I won't talk much.
Wababheka
Mara mina mangibabheka.
the way bamuva ngakhona manje.
Mina mangibabheka man. Aish, okay, they are making money, ne, as equally collective, but individual, I don't think so.
Bayingakho inhleko ngaphela.
Baningi labantu.
By 10,
Yeah,
please.
10.
By 10.
Mawu-10 nana.
But,
10 yala eMzansi.
Yo.
Yeah, by 10. But
Squad wengaki 7? 8.
maka no sebashayanyuka zamachita.
Yeah, also
Mara bafethu, let's be honest. I mean, hip hop ngokwayo ayishoni nyo. If like we're gonna talk 10% street, show you umchita pit gig nokuvana 7 clip
And ubara ngayo 70 babuye
you understand?
Makakhumbula ukuthi still nanoma bayi collective ne basese individual still lupa une crowd yakhe naye no fire ne crowd yakhe whoever unama crowd yakhe.
It goes back to what Bigzo was saying ukuthi there's always Beyonce. So uma makaperform my akana vibe.
I just kind of my head.
Yeah. By the way, ne Stitch Lamoon la. Facebook it's Stitch Lamoon, Instagram Stitch Lamoon, TikTok Umthungi Wengubo. Ne, just make sure that you follow. Yeah, Umthungi Wengubo.
Yes sir. Go Facebook mina ningithola ngo Diego Da Vinci. On Instagram is the realest Diego, and also on TikTok the realest Diego with the DE realest Diego. Yeah.
Don't Julio. I'm tata ku Don Julio. Ezibiza ngo
You know what does Diego actually means, ne? Obviously it's it's DIEGO, yeah. Devoted in every good opportunity. Yeah, that's why, like, cause each and every opportunity mina ngolo muntu lo ukuthi mangibona opportunity engibona kahle ukuthi izongisebenzela, I grab it with both hands, you understand? Angiyekeli nje ukuthi slide kanjalo because nami ngizifunela impilo engcono with my family, you understand?
Sure.
Yeah, I have ama siblings amancane nakimi to take care of, you understand?
Away. Siva MNP.
Granite ebhoni. Shy around ngayizi yakhipha. Izolo konje bathi bekunobani? Chicken tsa. Abangeni. So shout out.
Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for joining us. Cornercast out.
Yes sir.